Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be more of a nice chill commentary. I'm just going to be talking a little bit about some of the stuff I want to do for 2019 and what's going to be coming up on the channel. I'm going to be talking a little bit about what I achieved over 2018 and some of the goals I set last year and how I actually compared to them. And then I'm going to be talking a little bit about stuff in general. This is going to be a nice chill laid back commentary. It's going to be something I don't normally do on the channel, but it's something I miss doing on YouTube. So today's video is going to be a nice chill one. In the background you can see some Rocket League I recorded a while ago. I think it's a 1v1 competitive solo. I'm not sure if it's a competitive or casual, but either way it's a gripping match where where both players do pretty good, but in the end we'll see who wins. I'm not going to talk too much about it, but if you want to watch that, be sure to. It's just some nice chill background video. So the first thing I want to talk about is the goals I set for myself in 2018 and what I wanted to do on YouTube and what I wanted to imagine my YouTube channel looking like at the end of this year or just the beginning of early 2019. So some of the goals I set for myself was, one thing I wanted to do was hit 5,000 subscribers, and the second thing I wanted to do was hit 2 million video views. I also wanted to keep up my regular uploading schedule and try to stick to at least 3 videos a week. And how did I do with these things? Well, currently my channel is just on 6,000 subscribers, or just a little bit over that, so I actually did much better than I was anticipating from last year, and my video views are just on 2.5 million, versus what I wanted to hit last year was just about 2 million, so both of these actually smashed what I wanted to do, so I'm really happy about that, and that's just down to you guys checking out my videos. I was getting a little bit lucky with some of my search results and some of my videos just popping up on some things. I made some videos that really did not work, but I made some videos that worked way more than I expected. So it's a little bit of luck, and I want to thank everyone who stuck around the channel, people who check stuff out, people who like, comment, whatever you do. It really does help me out, and it does keep me motivated to make more things. And especially to everyone who comments and shows their results, it's a really cool thing to see, and I'm really happy with all the growth I've got on this channel. I put a lot of work into it, and it's really cool to finally see it succeeding. How did I do with the uploading? For the most part, I stayed pretty consistent with the 3 videos a week. Some weeks I missed some things, but I always tried to make it up on the weekend. But coming up to the last few weeks of 2018, I kind of let myself down a little bit. I needed to take a break a little bit from YouTube with visiting family and vacations. And then I got a little bit sick towards the end of the year. Just a shitty man flu, so nothing serious. But now that I've talked about my goals and we've seen that I've actually done pretty well compared to last year, I want to talk a little bit about the things I want to do in 2019 on YouTube specifically, and what kind of numbers I want to hit. So judging now that I'm just on about 6,000 subscribers, by the end of next year my goal is to double this. I want to hit up to 12,000 subscribers. Now this is a pretty big jump compared to where I am right now. I'm not sure if it's exactly possible, but I think it should be an interesting one. But I want to aim a little bit higher than this, so I'm going to put my goal for next year to 15,000 subscribers. This is a big jump. It's even bigger than what I initially thought was already big, but I really want to push myself to try and make this number possible. So my goal for the end of next year is going to be trying to hit 15,000 subscribers. It's kind of a pipe dream. As long as I hit over 10k, I'll be happy regardless, but I really want to aim for that high point. Since now I'm on 2.5 million views, I want to try to go a bit ambitious here. I want to say I want to hit close to 7 million views. I want to hit around a 7 million view mark by the end of next year. That's my goal for my entire channel. Hopefully I can do this. It's going to be quite ambitious as well, but I really want to put high points here, so I really aim for these and try push to make these happen by the end of next year. But coming into 2019, I'm going to start again going strong, back to my 3 videos a week on my Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I want to try kick it up a notch. I want to see if I can continue this the whole way through the year, and if I have any other time, I want to put more time into other extra videos during the week, or I want to put more time into more high quality videos. By this I mean videos that take much longer to make. So right now I try to stick to the more easy, simple cutting videos, not a lot of extra cam footage, or don't require a lot of side filming. Most of my videos are just screen recording and just some audio. I do this for 2 reasons. One is to keep my videos simple so it saves on time, but the second is because this is the type of videos I would want to watch. I don't necessarily need super high production value for simple tutorials like I'm making, so I just don't do it. It just feels like an unnecessary step for me. A lot of people use it as extra fluff and just spend more time, but really I like nice, simple, straight to the point videos, and that's what I try to make most of the time. But where I do want to put more production value is into unboxings and more review type products, where I get nice b-roll, nice product shots. I find this is where the extra production value really shows and can really make a video stand out and really make a video look much nicer. Plus I did this for careers a little bit as a videographer, so I don't get too lost or too untrained, so it just helps keep me motivated and trained. So one thing very significant I did late last year was moving to Belgium. So 1.5 years in, just about now. How is it looking back? Well, right now everything is going pretty well. Halfway through the year, I actually sadly lost the job I originally came over here to do. Due to budget cutbacks, they weren't able to keep me along, which was quite sad. That was a very scary moment for me. It was the first time I was in a foreign country. I have no real way to support yourself apart from your savings, especially when I consider I did not have a lot of savings at the time. I had enough to keep me going, but luckily I bounced back pretty quick. Got a job within a few weeks and I was back rolling to normal. And for me, I believe a lot of things happen for a reason, so I believe this is one of those things that did happen for a reason. Whatever that reason being, I'm not too sure yet, but I do think it was the right step and I do feel much better compared to where I was before. So overall, I'm really happy with the decisions and everything that's happened this year, especially with my YouTube channel. It's crazy to see how well everything is going, but I really like the direction my life is going in right now. I still feel there's some things I need to improve upon, but of course if you don't try and improve upon yourself, you're never going to get better. So I'm always trying to look for ways to improve myself, improve methods, speed up things. Whatever I can do to try and make myself better, I always try my best to do it. So I'm going to continue trying to improve everything, and I'm just going to continually push on with that. But anyway guys, that's just a little bit of a recap of what I did in 2018, some of the things that happened in my life, and some of the things I want to achieve and do for the end of 2019. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it all the way to this point in the video, I want to say thank you so much. And anyone that leaves a comment down below with the hashtag ScobyGolds2019 will get something free from me. I'm not going to talk about too much, but if you got this far and you leave a comment down below, I'll try to get you something nice. Just say thank you for supporting my channel and thank you for getting this far into my video and listening to my stupid ramblings. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.